Laundry is the original never-ending story. There's always a new load in the works with a freshly minted collection of stains and odors. Store shelves are lined with chemical-based products that can contain harmful additives to help the laundry detergents work better. But the thing is, most contain a slew of toxic, hazardous ingredients linked to everything from respiratory issues to endocrine disruption to even acute aquatic toxicity. And they're pretty rough on fabrics too. Norwex takes a radically different approach, using natural enzymes and plant-based ingredients to break down stains and boost brightness. Our laundry stain remover is safe for color-fast loads. It's 57% bio-based, and of course, there are no harmful ingredients. Now, some fabrics need a little bit of extra care to help the brights stay bright and the colors poppin'. Our Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster is a color-safe, clean formula bleach alternative that uses oxygen and a powerful enzyme blend. Plus, it's 87% bio-based. Now, Bright and White works just as well as a multi-purpose spray cleaner that you can use all around the house. You just dilute with water in one of our Forever bottles and you pair it with a Norwex microfiber cloth. Clean your laundry and your home with confidence, knowing Norwex has you covered with safe, effective, and earth-friendly products.